Hello. Welcome back to How to Success. I think you are well by the grace of Almighty. Today we will know about Achieve Your Goals, the Ultimate Success Blueprint. Hit the subscribe button to continue. Achieve Your Goals, the Ultimate Success Blueprint encapsulates a strategic approach to realizing one's aspirations and ambitions. It's a roadmap for navigating the complexities of goal setting, execution, and eventual triumph. Here's a breakdown of its essence. 1. Vision. Every journey begins with a vision. The blueprint emphasizes the importance of clarity in defining your goals. What do you want to achieve? Why is it significant to you? Crafting a compelling vision fuels motivation and provides direction. 2. Goal setting. Concrete, measurable goals are the foundation of success. The blueprint advocates for SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These criteria ensure that your objectives are well-defined and attainable, increasing the likelihood of success. 3. Planning. A meticulous plan is essential for turning dreams into reality. The blueprint encourages breaking down your goals into actionable steps. What tasks need to be completed? When will they be accomplished? Planning helps manage resources effectively and minimizes obstacles along the way. 4. Execution. Taking consistent action is key to progress. The blueprint emphasizes the importance of discipline and perseverance. Success often requires stepping out of your comfort zone, overcoming challenges, and staying focused on your objectives. 5. Adaptability. Flexibility is crucial in navigating the unpredictable nature of the journey towards success. The blueprint advises being open to adjustments and learning from failures. Adaptability allows you to pivot when necessary and capitalize on new opportunities that arise. 6. Accountability. Being accountable to yourself and others enhances commitment and drives progress. The blueprint encourages establishing mechanisms for accountability, such as setting deadlines, tracking progress, and seeking support from mentors or peers. 7. Mindset. A positive and resilient mindset is a powerful asset on the path to success. The blueprint underscores the importance of cultivating beliefs and attitudes that empower you to overcome setbacks and persist in the face of challenges. 8. Continuous improvement. Success is not a destination but a journey of ongoing growth and development. The blueprint advocates for continuous improvement, whether through acquiring new skills, seeking feedback, or refining your strategies. 9. Celebration. Acknowledging and celebrating your achievements is essential for maintaining momentum and motivation. The blueprint encourages taking time to reflect on your progress and appreciate how far you've come before setting new goals or pursuing higher aspirations. 10. Legacy. Beyond personal success, the blueprint encourages considering the broader impact of your accomplishments. How will your achievements contribute to the greater good? Leaving a positive legacy involves not only achieving your goals, but also making a meaningful difference in the lives of others. In essence, Achieve Your Goals, the Ultimate Success Blueprint, is a comprehensive guide that encompasses the essential elements of goal achievement. By following its principles and strategies, individuals can navigate their journey towards success with clarity, purpose, and determination. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more updates. Don't forget like, comments, and share. Take care.